Assalamu Alaikum. Today I'm making a classic comfort food, daal chawal, a favorite in every Pakistani home. Let's start with our ingredients. We need lentils, onion, tomato, chilies, garlic, ginger, and spices. First, wash the lentils thoroughly for removing all the impurities from it. Now we'll boil the dal until soft. While that cooks, let's chop our veggies. Time to prepare the tadka or tempering. We'll add cumin seeds, garlic, and ginger. Now add onions and fry until golden brown. Now add tomatoes and green chilies. Next add spices, turmeric, red chili, salt and coriander powder. The tadka is ready. Now let's check on the dal. Mix the tadka into the dal and then for cleaning the frying pan, add some dal in frying pan and pour it in pot. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's cook rice. For cooking rice, wash it and soak for some time. Add rice, water, and a pinch of salt to the pot. Now both dal and chawal are ready. Let's serve this delicious comfort food and garnish it with coriander.
This simple dish is loved by everyone in Pakistan. Let's taste it. Very tasty.
Do try this recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Allah Hafiz.